Please stop the video and match the words with the given definitions in at most 3 minutes. Jot down the words that you don't know. Don't forget these words will be useful for following listening. Please check the answers and ensure you have learned the words' meanings. Remember, the goal of this exercise isn't just to understand every word, but to grasp the main ideas and key details of the speech of the speaker. So, stay focused, and if you miss something, don't worry. You have a chance to listen again.
Alzheimer's disease, a neurodegenerative disorder, poses a significant challenge to individuals, families, and healthcare systems worldwide. Named after the German physician Alzheimer, who first described it in 1996, this progressive condition is characterized by the gradual decline in cognitive function and memory loss. While aging is the greatest risk factor, Alzheimer's can affect individuals as early as their 40s or 50s, though it is more commonly diagnosed in older adults. The exact cause of Alzheimer's remains elusive, but it is believed to involve a combination of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. One of the hallmarks of the disease is the accumulation of abnormal protein deposits in the brain, including beta-amyloid plaques and tau tangles, which disrupt neural communication and lead to neuronal damage and cell death. The symptoms of Alzheimer's disease typically start with mild forgetfulness and confusion, progressing over time to severe impairment in memory, reasoning, language, and ultimately, the ability to carry out daily activities. This deterioration can have profound effects on an individual's quality of life, independence, and relationships. Moreover, Alzheimer's not only affects the person diagnosed, but also places a significant burden on caregivers and family members who provide support and assistance as the disease advances. Diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease often involves a comprehensive assessment of medical history, cognitive function, and imaging tests to rule out other possible causes of symptoms. While there is currently no cure for Alzheimer's, early detection and intervention can help manage symptoms and improve quality of life. Treatment approaches may include medications to alleviate cognitive symptoms, behavioral therapies to enhance communication and coping strategies, and lifestyle interventions such as regular exercise and a balanced diet. As Alzheimer's progresses, individuals may require increasing levels of care, from home-based support to specialized memory care facilities. The emotional and financial toll of caring for someone with Alzheimer's can be immense, underscoring the urgent need for better support services, caregiver education, and research into effective treatments and preventive measures. Despite decades of research, developing a cure or even effective disease-modifying therapies for Alzheimer's disease remains a formidable challenge. The complexity of the brain, the multifactorial nature of the disease, and the lack of understanding of its precise mechanisms contribute to the difficulties in finding viable solutions. Nevertheless, ongoing efforts in basic science, clinical trials, and public health initiatives offer hope for advancements in Alzheimer's research and care. In conclusion, Alzheimer's disease presents a pressing health crisis with far-reaching implications for individuals, families, and society as a whole. Addressing the complex challenges posed by this condition requires a concerted effort from healthcare professionals, policymakers, researchers, caregivers, and communities worldwide. By raising awareness, advocating for better resources, and supporting research endeavors, we can strive towards a future where effective treatments and preventive measures alleviate the burden of Alzheimer's disease and improve the lives of those affected by it.